Welcome to the next-gen auto hub. In the late 1960s, Toyota was determined to make a mark on the global automotive stage with something entirely new, a sporty, stylish, yet affordable car that could compete with Western icons like the Ford Mustang. The result was the Toyota Celica, first introduced in 1970, a car that would go on to become one of Toyota's most celebrated nameplates. The first-generation Celica, A20A30 series, debuted at the Tokyo Motor Show in October 1970, instantly turning heads. Toyota described it as a personal coupe, a compact and sporty two-door designed to deliver style and driving excitement at a price that ordinary buyers could afford. It was essentially Toyota's answer to the pony car movement of the time. From the outside, the Celica was striking. It featured a long hood and short rear deck, proportions inspired by American muscle cars, but scaled down for efficiency and practicality. The sharp body lines, chrome accents, and coupe silhouette gave it an aggressive yet refined appearance. The front carried bold round headlights and a slim grille, while the rear offered a simple, sporty finish with horizontal taillights. Under the hood, the 1970 Celica offered a range of engines to suit different markets and drivers. The base models came with a 1.4-litre or 1.6-litre inline-4, part of Toyota's new T-Series engine family. In performance trims like the GT, buyers could get a 1.6-litre DOHC engine producing around 113 horsepower, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, a rarity in Japanese cars of the time. Power went to the rear wheels, giving the Celica genuine sports coupe credentials. Performance wasn't just about speed, the Celica also emphasized handling. With a lightweight chassis, McPherson strut front suspension, and precise steering, it delivered agility and confidence on winding roads. It wasn't the fastest car on the road, but it struck a perfect balance between excitement and everyday usability. Inside, the Celica carried a youthful and driver-focused design. The dashboard featured sporty round gauges, a 3-spoke steering wheel, and bucket seats that provided a snug, supportive feel. Higher trims added wood grain accents, AM/FM radios, and even air conditioning, luxuries not common in compact coupes of the era. One of the Celica's greatest strengths was its variety. Toyota offered it in multiple trims and body styles, including the two-door hardtop coupe, the later liftback, and performance-focused GT versions. This flexibility allowed it to appeal to both practical buyers and sports car enthusiasts. When it hit international markets, particularly the United States, the Celica was an instant hit. American buyers loved its Mustang-inspired styling, affordable price, and Toyota's reputation for reliability. It gave young drivers the chance to own something sporty without the high costs of owning a muscle car. The Celica also marked an important step for Toyota as a brand. It was one of the first Toyota models designed with global markets in mind, and it established Toyota's reputation for building cars that were not only dependable but also exciting to drive. Looking back, the 1970 Toyota Celica was more than just a car, it was a statement. It showed that Japanese automakers could deliver style, performance, and quality in a single package. Over the decades, the Celica would evolve through 7 generations, leaving behind a legacy of motorsport success, tuner culture influence, and a place in the hearts of enthusiasts around the world. The first-generation Celica remains a symbol of Toyota's rise in the global market and a beloved classic among collectors today. With its sporty lines, versatile options, and pioneering spirit, the 1970 Celica proved that sometimes, the most impactful cars aren't the biggest or the fastest, but the ones that bring driving passion to everyone. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for the next update.